Hey, I want to talk about one more innovation. This is called our finishing arch. This is the result of us coming up with some new products for the car wash tunnel, especially the ceramic X3. The third step of ceramic happens down here at the final rinse area. And to put it up on a rain arch and not have any signs and not have a place to mount them was going to be a tough thing to do to help confirm to the customer we're getting that service that they were paying for. So we took our media arch legs and our media arch frame and we kind of adapted it with some double-sided unistrut as braces, so we can virtually mount anything to this arch. We can put signs and lights on the front side to tell them they're getting the third step of the process. We can put lights or rain bars or stream foamers like we're going to do here to show that we're putting the product on. We can put mirror attachments on the sides. We can do side shots of rinsing or waxing, anything we want in this arch here as well. Also, with the media arch, there's 3-inch holes up and down the arch, so all of our cables and hoses can be hidden inside the legs and going up across the top, which makes it a much cleaner look in that area. I think this is going to be a great addition to upgrade your tunnel if you're going to do the X3, or if you're just building a new tunnel and you want to add some more signs talking about spot-free water rinse or the last wax process you have, and identify that to the customer and actually light it up so it actually looks like another service, not just a rinse. So take a look at this here, and it may fit in your tunnel. It might be a great upgrade, and I think you really enjoy how it satisfies your customers.